Hi and welcome back to my channel. What we are going to do today is a simple flower like this. It's very simple to make, so let's do it. Okay, all you have to do is to prepare your slip knot, which I do it like this, and then let's have chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so once you have your chain 6, you just have to slip stitch on the first chain. Basically, we're making a ring here. Okay, so now we have the ring, but this tail we need to hide it here. So while we're working on round, you just have to hide this tail here. Okay, so next is, let's start with the first petal. Let's have single crochet here. One single crochet, and then chain 2, 1, 2. Then after chain 2, you have to do treble crochet, meaning you need to do this 1, 2, and then in the ring, and then come back, pull it through, and then you'll see you have 4 loop here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then get the 1, 2, and then again get the other 2, and then again get the other 2. So we need 3 of this. Okay, we have 1. This is the second treble. So 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 treble crochet, 2, 2. Okay, so now we have 3 treble crochet. You see, I'm hiding this together. See, while I'm working on this. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and then single crochet here in the ring. Single crochet. Okay. After single crochet, we'll just do it again. This is your first petal. Okay. So single crochet, and then after that chain 2 again, second petal, 1, 2, and then 3 treble crochet. That's that's one treble crochet. This is the second. Okay, the third treble crochet. Okay, and then chain 2 again, chain 2, and then single crochet. So now here you go, you have your second petal. We'll just do it again. We will just repeat that. Okay, let's go to the third petal. Again, chain 2, 1, 2, and then 3 treble crochet. This is how to do the treble. Two. Okay, 1. We need 3. 2. 3, chain 2, and then single crochet. Okay, so now we have the third petal. Okay, let's go to the fourth petal, chain 2, treble crochet, 1, we need 3 again, 2, 3 treble crochet, and then chain 2, then single crochet. So now we have the fourth petal. Now let's go to the last petal, which is the fifth. 2 chain, treble again, 1, 2, 3 treble, then 1, 2 chain. So when it comes to here at the last, if you remember, we started with the single crochet here, so no need to do the single crochet this time. You just connect a slip stitch here in the first single crochet that we did. Okay, so that's it. Let's just lock it, and then if you can see, we lock it. We just need to adjust and I mean fix it so it's balanced. Yeah, so there you have it. Thank you.